Lockheed Martin has unveiled the Lamprey multi-mission autonomous undersea vehicle, an unmanned underwater vehicle that can attach itself to ships, launch torpedoes, and deploy airborne drones. The Lamprey combines numerous features that the company says could accomplish tailored missions in support of covert surveillance and sea denial. It can loiter on the ocean floor, recharge its batteries by attaching to a host ship, and collect intelligence from the seabed while maintaining a low, stealthy profile. Below the surface, the Lamprey can launch both anti-submarine torpedoes and decoys. At the surface, it can launch unmanned aerial vehicles to conduct reconnaissance or deliver kinetic strikes. Since it is an open architecture system that is payload agnostic, it can carry a variety of modules for a range of missions in its 24 cubic foot bay. This includes lightweight anti-submarine torpedoes, up to 3 retractable twin-tube aerial drone launchers, electronic warfare systems, acoustic decoys that can mimic other craft, and deployable sensors for intelligence gathering. Like many autonomous systems, the Lamprey can be deployed in swarms and communicate with other unmanned systems to perform coordinated missions. Lockheed Martin says the Lamprey can reach its mission area with its batteries 100% charged to run the craft's quad thruster propulsion system, autonomous onboard computers, sensors, and subsystems.